Hello, and welcome to Wildcat Science with Mrs. Haugo. This is Chapter 1, Part 3. We left off labeling the anterior and posterior views of our medical terminology. So, please get out your worksheet and follow along while I am going over the terms. So, first off is cervical, and label cervical right here in the neck region. Next is thoracic. Label thoracic in the chest region. Then brachial, please label brachial in the arm. And then down here, carpal is the wrist. Umbilical is the navel area. Iliac is the hip area. Inguinal is the groin area. Femoral is the leg area. Patellar is the knee area. And tarsal is the ankle area. Okay, flip it over to the posterior side, and deltoid is the shoulder area. Scapular, here is the shoulder blade area. Lumbar is the lower back area. Gluteal is the buttocks area. And then down here, calcaneal is the heel. In class, we will be figuring out what happened to Mike, and we will need a narrator, radio dispatch, nurse, doctor, and sonographer. This organ game is a great resource. You can copy and paste that URL and look into that. That would help you out. And Chapter 1 notes are finished. Good job, everyone.